fatty bum bum. So bog off. Sit back down, little girl. That's right, I'm talking to you, Angelica. Oh, gobble gobble that up, you little turkey boy. For the boys.
Oh my god, I just almost poked myself in an eye.
Do you know that's what Mother Teresa would do? Yeah! I'm having a mental breakdown. Yodelay, yodelay, yodelay. Hi. Oh, I look like a disgusting little piggy. I'm halfway through getting ready right now because I'm actually going to an event later. But oh, is she gonna? Okay, she's staying. I knew. Yes, I bought my very own apartment with my very own moolah. I have been going through the process. The process is like actually trying to birth a child. I feel like Meghan Markle. It took me about 2 months, a loss of 10% of my water intake through stress and tears, and I no longer have fingernails because I've chewed them all off. But we're here now. Yay! It's empty right now. I've got the sofa and bed coming in about half an hour, but I'll show you the apartment. I'll show you the apartment somewhere. I look like a Cabbage Patch Kid. So you enter through here, and then you're met with a thing, and then you go through here. This is the bedroom. This is my mirror. So I can look at myself every morning and go, hello everybody, this is my morning routine. First thing I do is wake up. Next, I shower. Then I eat my yogurt and granola. And then I'm off to school, thanks everybody. Bedroom, that's the windows and stuff. Then if you just go through here, thank you very much. 2 storage cupboards. One is just an empty storage cupboard. The other has appliances which I don't understand. Switch that on, thank you. Obviously I have it off because I'm saving polar bears and ending global warming. This is the bathroom, very nice. Another mirror so I can look at myself and make my self-confidence issues even worse. A waterfall shower, don't go che. I'm out of breath, wait. Sin waterfalls, even if okay, wow, acoustics though, yeah! Shut up! Yes. This is the main area. I was just getting ready down there, so all my makeup's out. I'm gonna have my TV, my sofa, and then you come around here and there is my kitchen area. Ooh, Marie Antoinette. Is she a cook? Who is Marie Antoinette? Marie, if you want changes, comment your Insta in the comments down below so I can check you out. We just got a fully functioning kitchen so I can get Nigella Lawson up in this bit. Fridge, oven stuff, other stuff I'm probably never gonna use because I'll just order Deliveroo. Window. And then my favorite part is this balcony. It's fat, like as fat as my ass. Open, you stupid little door. It's open, everyone. So yeah, I just have this little balcony and I feel really self-conscious speaking out there. So let's just come back in, thanks. And yeah, that's my apartmento tundo. Hi, girly pops. Hi, my gorgeous girls. Hello, my lovelies. Just a little update. Furniture has arrived. I have missed my event. Am I mad? Yes. Quite clearly, to be honest, because if you think that I'm gonna be taken for a... Okay, remember, new neighbors, don't want to piss them off. Sunshine, happiness, and rainbows everywhere. The sofa and bed delivery was 2 hours late. 2 hours, dos horas, or whatever it is in Spanish. But it's arrived now. Ooh, cha-cha, bing bang, woolly ding dang, that's not the words. A mattress, a bed, and a sofa is now here, and I'm about to build it. You really thought. You thought I was gonna... No, nuh-uh. I have paid someone to come build it at 3. Now you may be like, Lewis, what a waste of money. Don't be so lazy. Get off your big fat ass, or bottom for those who want the PG option, and build it yourself. Sweetheart. I got a U in year 9 DT. What under any circumstances, language, or planet makes you think I will be able to build a flat pack bed and sofa? Huh? It doesn't exist. It's not existing in this current climate we're in, thanks to global warming. Use metal straws. So yeah, some chicks coming at 3 to build it. And we love that for me, because manual labor is a no. I am way too fragile and my hands are way too dainty for any of that. And I I am christening the flat with my first Deliveroo. The first of many. I'm just so glad we all had to experience this. I am just all of a sudden having a major freak out, stress out. Ooh, girls talk. I ordered pasta and I just realized I have no cutlery. Right, so this is gonna be an interesting one to eat, quite frankly. Why am I so dumb? Idiot, ow. Well, messed up on that one, didn't I? Good luck, Charlie. Hi everyone, so I've not updated you in so long. A cat could have literally lost all 9 lives and we'd be here. I've moved. That's the end of the vlog. Bye guys, hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna vlog just the next few days anyway. Anyway, just lit a candle, really trying to get into the Zen mode. You know, that's what Mother Teresa would do. And I will show you guys what I have done to my apartment. Why the frick did I sound like some like British vlogger from 2013? So guys, I will show you what has been going on with my flat since you were last here. Stay tuned and stick around. It's not complete, so just sit back down. I know you're probably on the edge of your seat. I don't know, you're probably ringing up Bet365, trying to place a bet about what it would look like. Don't bet, it's bad. But basically, I've got more furniture coming in due course. But like, for example, my sofa's not gonna be here until the end of July. But I can't not have a sofa for 2 months. Like, I have a bone in my bottom and it may break. So like, I ordered like a cheap sofa and then I'm gonna donate it to one of those charities who come picks up your furniture and takes it to a charity shop. I'm such a humble citizen, guys. Sorry, I didn't mean to brag. And I haven't got a TV stand yet. My kitchen chairs are coming on like Wednesday. I don't know. All you need to know, quite frankly, so you can get out my business and stop shoving your big fat beak and nose into it, is it's not quite done. So let's just get on with this, shall we? Because I'm having a mental breakdown. Okay, tripped on my cable, that is not good. Okay, ladies and gentle pigs. When you walk into the bedroom, this is what you see. I'm gonna do a proper apartment tour in like July, so you can learn about the furniture then. So make sure you subscribe. I've just got my bed. Quite clearly, it's not a bloody sofa, is it? And then I've decided to go for some tiger print. The joke is so funny because it's clearly a cow. I decided to just channel my inner self and go for a cow theme because I'm a moo fat, nosy, ugly, rude cow. So yes, obviously the wardrobes came with the apartment and we're just not gonna go in there because my hanging is atrocious. So I've got this cow print rug coming out from under, a cow print chair, some pillows. I'm gonna have a big mirror here. Here I've got my bedside table. Who's that gorgeous boy? Oh wow, James Charles really snapped there, didn't he? And that's it for the bedroomy, or ta-ta-ta. Thank you. My bathroom, it's not really changed. There's not a lot you can do. I've just put down a mat. Ow, I think I pulled a muscle in my arm. And then the main room, these are like 2 old bedside tables from like when I was like little, so they're just there just now. I love being self-obsessed, so I have that. This is my coffee table, just have some books. Can't actually read because I'm a YouTuber and we're dumb as pigs, but they're just there for decorated tentative purposes. Sofa, which my kitchen table, which I'm gonna paint the legs either white or black, not sure yet. And all those like things are coming. What are those things called? Chairs, everyone, they're called chairs. That is how stupid I am. And then this is just the kitchen area. So we just have a coffee machine, some coffee pods, and I've just got some like beverages of Diet Coke. Just a couple, you know, to keep me going for tomorrow. Then my favorite part is the fat balcony for my fatty bum bum. I'm gonna whisper because it's 11:30 at night and this is my first night and I don't already want my neighbors to want to have my head on a stake. This is the outside furniture. Good night. So yeah, obviously it's still quite bare and stuff, but I've only been in here 12 hours, Stacey, so bog off. Anyway, my hand is twisted about 180 degrees right now, so I'll probably have to go to A&E about a fracture tomorrow, but until then, see you tomorrow. Ah! Don't mind me and my trotters. Good morning. Sorry, you should always cover your mouth when you cough, because that is what Christopher Abraham said when he founded the United Kingdom. So today I'm off to my home. You might be thinking you just moved in, but I'm going back to the home that like I've always lived in. Do you know what I mean? I'm going to London Zoo, seeing my family, the pigs. No, I'm filming something at London Zoo today. I'm not really doing any moving stuff, so I'm not really gonna vlog much today. So I'm really sorry if you were anticipating a full day of fun activities of homeware and rose gold wallpaper. But no. So sit back down, little girl. That's right, I'm talking to you, Angelica. Sorry, I get like weird things which come over me when I film. I'll show you my outfits. Summer's here, girls. Shorts out for the boys. Shorts out, ow, ow, ow. Okay, shorts out for the boys. Shorts out. You can't even bloody see me outfit. So yeah, this is my outfit, OTD. Obviously I'm gonna wear shoes because I don't not wear shoes outside. First visitor, woo, give us a dance. It's not appropriate. Jesus would not say yes. So we've just ordered Nando's. Okay, I cannot show that outside. And yeah, just chilling, making villain. Hello, my kitchen chairs have come. Ooh.
Oh my god, I just almost poked myself in an eye with a scissors. That is not very responsible, babe. Honestly, you should take a course in health and safety because that's not nice. How to open these boxes? Oh, yay. Manual labor. Oh, okay, so they're supposed to be on its side. I didn't get a B in English GCSE for nothing, guys. Ah! This thing is everywhere. Ooh, right. Slide out of this box. This would be a great appreciation for all of the community. We have a chair. Why does it like look like I'm about to do a flat top table surgery on this? What? I don't even remotely know what I meant by that. Oh my god. She's beautiful. Okay, well. Bye. Oh my god, me chairs are all up and they look bloody fantastic if you ask me, but who am I to tell? I'm just the cat's mother. Oh, and I went and got a haircut. You don't care. Or do you? Because I'm serving looks. My contour exploded, well not exploded, broke. Because it's weak, unlike me, because I'm strong. I've got, I don't know if you can see, but contour all over it, so I'm just gonna wipe you up right now. I went to H&M yesterday. I got this pot and this soap dispenser. It sort of looks like I peed myself and put it in a bottle, but other than that, I didn't. I'm a clean girl. And then I got these trays for me everyday essentials and me non-everyday essentials. Put that in the bin, you mucky pot. I've just had 2 coffees, so that probably explains why. That probably explains why. Anyway, I'm just gonna catch up on some YouTubes on the youtube.com on the interweb. Mirror is finally up. And then I got 2 shelves coming later on today so I can store all of my everyday essentials. I'm literally vlogging, thinking that my face is gonna be in this, and I'm like, hi everybody. That is a Sky broadband box, and I don't trust myself with that, so I'll wait till the man comes. Oh, a lovely Amazon one. Hashtag not spun, hashtag not ad, hashtag gifted. Hashtag jokes not gifted, because I'm a little boy who doesn't deserve anything gifted. Why would anyone give me anything? Okay, I need to make sure I'm not showing my address because I'm kind of not in the mood to get murdered yet. Like, I've only moved in for a week. Comment down below who your favourite Simpsons character is. We love Lisa, a feminist icon. Homer will always have a soft place in my heart. Maggie, a girl of very few words. I don't know what this is. What the hell is this? What? What? Oh wait, I think these are the glass tops which... Don't... Yeah, my acrylic storage for my maquillage. Oh, these are hooks. Hooks to hang things with. Like, you don't care, do you? Who the bloody hell is interested in this shit? Oh, and then my last one's just under bed storage. And again, I don't think you care. This is me signing off. Putting up furniture is the most physical exercise I've done since about year 6. Right, I'm gonna try and do these lights now under my bed. I'm not a scientist. I did double award, quite frankly. So this is gonna go horrifically wrong. I can already quite tell. Like, what is this? Hello? English? Okay, I guess I'll read the instructions. I hate reading instructions. This is like a prop from that mousetrap board game. Tear the plastic, what plastic part? Hello? Oh! That goes in maybe here? No. That go in here? Nope, that doesn't go in there. Oh my god, what the fuck? I'm done, I'm out of this. Anyone who has these stupid LED little strip lights that are literal the devil's work, how do I fit this? Do I look like a civil engineer? I got a B in physics. Get in there. Yeah, lads, one for the boys. Oh, just call me Handy Manny. So I got these 2 frames, and when my disposables came out, I put some disposables in just for the memes. There's a reoccurring theme here, and that's me stuffing my fat gob. You little wee piggy, don't you just love your food? And I also have over here, mademoiselle, this frame is from Zara. Zara home, everybody. And again, me stuffing my fat little gobby. Oh, gobble that up, you little turkey boy. And just a little picture from LA, when we went to LA. So yeah, that's this little corner table right now. Yeah. Also, the wire is just so ugly. I need to sort out what's happening with the extension cord. I don't know what that song is. Wait, is that a song? I don't know. So I need to sort out what is happening in this mess, because right now it's a kerfuffle. I don't know if I don't just want to get rid of that completely and have a lamp and then move like this and this up to like a shelf up here. I don't know, quite frankly. So get off my back. You're dying for it. So the day is now Sunday, and hopefully this is the day that you're watching this video, because Inception, telepathy, we stand. Ooh. Because basically I just wanted this vlog to be moving rather than just day in my lives. So I only really vlogged the moving parts. And the only thing that's really changed since I last vlogged is this little area in my bedroom. Sure, I'll show you it new. Sorry, my friends, just watching a little light spot of Sophia and Cinzia. But I got this mirror and my IMAX come, so that's now what that looks like. I've got a shelf coming Monday. I had the biggest fiasco with these shelves. The delivery driver, I saw him, I waved to him, I was like, hiya hon, you're right, it's me, the shelves in your van are for me, mate. He looked at me. I don't know, maybe I looked like a potato that day. Maybe the wave gave off a bit of a hostile vibe. Or hostile, as the French say, who quite frankly knows. But he clocked me, and then he looked towards his windscreen, and then he started the engine, and then he started to drive off, and I was like, oh, he must just be like reversing. You know, throw that junk in your trunk back to the door, and then we can get it in. And before I knew it, he was driving off down my street. And that was the end of that. One like equals one prayer. So they're coming tomorrow now, but I'm gonna vlog next week, but it might not go up for a while, so just like hold your horses, girls. I know that you're just bursting at the seams to see what I'm creating. Okay, this is getting weird really quickly. Yeah, so just bedroom vibes. Yeah, I'm gonna end this here. I hope you enjoyed it. I will be doing more moving vlogs, so stay tuned for that. And TTYL XOX.